Today we've got something new from Oreo. We've got the Post Malone Oreo cookies. I guess Post Malone teamed up with Oreo for his signature cookie. I'm about to see if it's worth the buy. You can like really smell it from outside the package. Alright, so the packaging looks pretty slick. The brown. So it says Posty Swirl Salted Caramel and Shortbread Flavored Cream. I like caramel. Alright, so also it's the dark Oreo and then the other so it's got two different types of Oreo cookies on it. And it's got like a swirl. So, like they said, it's salted caramel and shortbread flavored cream. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's got like a butterscotchy taste to it also. Also, one thing I didn't look at, one side of the darker Oreos, they have designs on them. This one has Post, and the salted caramel is really good. So I'm going to have to give the Oreo Post Malone cookie a 8.5. And if y'all have tasted this cookie, what are your thoughts? Put them down in the comments and let me know what did y'all think of the Oreo Post Malone cookie. Alright guys, that'll do it for me on this one. And I will see you on the next one. Bye.